I just found this brand new skill that helps Claude Code create beautiful websites. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. All right, guys. So first, I want to show you an example of an AI slop of a website. Then we will be getting directly into the skill, which will be linked in the description below. So this is the website without the skill, without any help, just straight up AI making AI slop. And FYI, this is actually a website for a product I made, which is a Chrome extension on the Chrome store right now. But basically, as you guys can see, without the design skill, AI Claude Code creates AI slop, a generic website with template cards, everything. All of this is just very generic AI garbo. But now we're going to be creating a new website with a design skill called Hallmark. It's free, open source, and it's made by Nutlope and Together AI. This isn't a model, it's not a subscription, it's simply just a folder of rules that changes what Claude reaches for when it designs the website. Again, written instructions for this will be linked in the description below. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to our Claude code session and we're going to prompt it to install this skill using the URL. We're going to wait for that to cook for a little bit. Now here we can see that it's actually inspecting the skill before even installing it, which is super important to pay attention to because a skill runs with full permissions. Okay, so that's it. It is installed and now ready to be used. All right, so now we can see here that we have an empty folder with no website yet. So let's go ahead and begin creating our website. Okay, so like I already mentioned, we're going to be creating a website for my product called Logged In, which is a Chrome extension that blocks distracting websites during your work hours. This is what we're building the site for. So here I'm going to give it the prompt. We're going to specify to use the Hallmark skill to build a landing page for my product. I'm also going to specify where my Chrome extension is so you can take a look and analyze that. And we're going to let it run. Here, the important part is that it's not going to design anything until it actually knows who the page is for. So watch this. So here it's asking for a clarification and I can specify because the extension itself has its own design. It's asking if it wants to stay on brand with that or rotate a Cadillac theme. For the sake of the video, I'm going to go ahead and rotate just to see what it comes up with. But it's very important to see how it makes sure with me before it actually solidifies the design. So if I wanted to, I could change it on the spot. All right, here it just told me the exact shape of the page before writing a single line of code. If I hated it, I could change it if I wanted to. And while that runs here, you may notice that it's actually holding itself to certain standards. So for example, it says real screenshots only. It refuses to draw fake browser windows, no made up statistics. So no trusted by 50,000 users unless I actually have 50,000 users. And it checks its own work against 58 quality rules before it even starts implementing anything. All right, guys, and here is the finished product. I'm going to scroll so you guys can see it. You know, I chose the rotation, the theme rotation. I got some screenshots. These are some assets I already had right here. And this is the basic gist of it. But it's much better spaced out. We don't have the AI slop kind of generic giveaways. And I'm actually going to deploy this website live and share it in the description below so you guys can check out the website and check out the Chrome extension if you're interested in that. And one of the actual rules from the Hallmark skill is that it works on mobile. Now, obviously, I can't show this, but it should be working completely fine. So the skill is free, link is in the description, and it installs in one command. If you guys build anything and you are tired of it looking like everyone else's, then go and get this Hallmark skill. I put the exact prompt I used in my free community. Link is in the description below as well. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.